They try to break me with their bitter words, throwing shadows just to see me hurt. But I won't bend, I won't fall apart. Their poison can't reach my heart. Every doubt they scream, I'll turn to fire. Fuel my spirit, lift me higher. I won't let the darkness win. This is where my fight begins. I'll rise above the noise, stronger than their lies. I'll find my voice. They can't chain me, I'm breaking free. Toxic souls won't get the best of me. I'll rise above the noise tonight. They feed on weakness, try to drag me down, but I'm still standing, I won't drown. Their hate's a storm, but I'm the flame. I'll burn right through their ugly game. Every scar they leave just makes me bold. I turn their venom into gold. I won't let their shadows stay. I'm stepping into brighter days. I'll rise above the noise, stronger than their lies. I'll find my voice. They can't chain me, I'm breaking free. Toxic souls won't get the best of me. I'll rise above the noise tonight. No more silence, no more fear. I've got the strength, it's crystal clear. They can't define who I will be. This is my victory. I'll rise above the noise, stronger than their lies. I'll find my voice. They can't chain me, I'm breaking free. Toxic souls won't get the best of me. I'll rise above the noise.
Why did you do this to me?